What's up guys, in one of my previous tutorials I showed how to move a VR character using a controller. In this video I will show you how to make it jump. To get the most of this tutorial I highly recommend you to watch the previous one. I'll leave the link on the cards for you to check it out. Now enough talking and let's get started. Okay, here we have our scene. First of all, go to our ground here, our floor, and let's create a tag. Add tag, let's create here a ground and add to our floor. Don't forget that. And here on our player we need something to detect if we can jump or not. What I'm gonna use a feet. For that I'm gonna create a 3D object, a cube. I'm gonna resize it about that. Check is trigger because I don't want that to collide, just to trigger with the ground. Position somewhere here under the feet of the player, somewhere. I think that would be okay. I think at minus 1.075, that it's about right. 1.075, that's gonna be okay for me. And need to add a rigid body. Check use gravity, uncheck actually, and here remove component, the mesh collider, mesh this one as well, and our feet is ready to go. So first we need to go to the player script and add our jump method. Open it. In here on our script, public bool can jump. We need to enable disable our jump, so that's variable, it's gonna handle that. And on our update method, what we need is if input the get button down, which one I'm gonna use, fire 1, that's equals my A button on my Xbox controller. And inside here, if can jump, I'm gonna can jump equals false. So if we're jumping we're not able to do it anymore, so equals false. And I'm gonna start a coroutine. So start coroutine, I call it enable jump. And down here I'm gonna create it actually. So enumerator, enable jump. And what we're gonna do is very simple. So I'm gonna use the gravity because we have the gravity up here on our script. So I'm gonna use the same value as our jump force. So minus gravity. You can change the values if you want, but that's the way I want to do it. So ut return new, wait for seconds. How many? I think 0.3f, it's a good amount. So more seconds, it's higher your jump is gonna be. So and here gravity equals minus gravity. So it's gonna set our gravity back to normal. Save the script. I think I did enable jump. Yep, I did some mistake here. So let's go back to Unity now. And here on Unity, what I'm gonna need, I'm gonna go here to our cube. Just rename here to feet. Okay, so we need also a script for that feet. So we'll call just feet. Once the script, just open it. Here it's very simple. We're gonna enable and disable the can jump. So for that we need a public game object player. And down here player controller, I call player controller. And on star method, player controller equals player the get component, the player controller script. We don't need the update method, and what I'm gonna use is void on trigger enter, and if other the game object the compare tag ground. So if our feet is touching the ground, another object with a tag ground. So player controller dot can jump equals true. Save the script. Now on Unity here and on our feet we need to drag our player to this and time to test. And if I press jump now, A button on my Xbox controller, you can see my character is jumping. Very simple, very easy. You guys request me that, so I wanted to bring that. It's been a long time since I didn't create videos, but there you have it. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you have any questions, suggestions, or have any issue with the project, leave in the comments below. So enjoy your game and see you on the next one.